Starting off with opening on chair between Rona, Pratika, Dhyana, Akansha and Vasudha. And on floor we have Sonakshi and Vanshika. So you're not going to be on chairs. We're going to do a flooring choreography while they're doing a chair choreography between you both. You all will be front edge over here. We have 5 chairs in semicircle over there. Yes? That's the first part that we've done. One goes out. Okay? Because you get exactly 15 seconds to put on your next outfit. And to go out and to come in. So you have to be thut, run back. Yeah, so you get 15 seconds total for that. We're gonna try that. I've got the jammies today to see if it's possible.
So we have to time how fast she can wear the costume.
I signed up for the wrong thing.
Listen to me. You have 10 seconds because 5 seconds you need to go in and come out. 10 seconds inside. Okay, ready? Go! One more. Very fast.
She's talking.
Shut the button and come out.
Shut the button. I can shut the button on the way, na?
On the way.
1 second. 1 second extra.
Let's go.
Make me proud. Make me proud.
Let's go. You got this. Oh wow. Oh beautiful, amazing. Will you come on the stage like this?
You will learn burlesque, mantra and feeling good and come. I will spend only 1.5 hours on it. Okay? We'll decide the time. Now apart from that, it better be clean because if it is not, then you pay me money that day. Everyone will buy me
Coffee.
Adidas shoes you'll buy.
Ma'am will buy us one pair.
Then I will give you.
How are you guys feeling?
Amazing.
Okay.
It's like 10:20 in the morning and I'm not a morning person, so we are really enjoying the process. Today felt really good. Like, I felt like, shit, okay, we are doing this.
I'm really excited because I'm going on stage after like 3 years.
Whoa. Yeah. Okay. How prepared do you think we are?
Prepared? Bhai, it's just been like 4 hours that we have done something. Preparing is in process, but I think even if we do make small mistakes, it's still gonna be amazing because the act is.
But we should not.
Yeah, we probably won't.
But yeah, I know a lot of my friends are going to be there, but I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Long way to go, man. Long
Okay.
But feeling good. Jammies. 15
Yeah.
seconds. 15 seconds. I figured out how to change costume
Yeah.
from on stage, off stage, and again back on stage, even though I'm not dancing in it.
4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use our arms to go in, out. Otherwise, arms are.
Now if you wanna swing both ways, let's swing with the drama. Pick you like homeless.
For now, it's a question mark. It's not a for sure there, but I want to do it, which is a classical mix of Apna Time Aayega, which is where I want you to step in.
Okay.
And it is something that I created for Super Dancer in my 2nd year of reality shows, and it's one of my favorite pieces that we had done. So I want to kind of bring that back in because between a jazz piece, they will not expect a drop that comes in like that. So apart from staying on our brand, I also want to bring in something that I've done for industry.
अपना टाइम आएगा
How are you feeling?
I'm very excited now.
How ready do you think they are? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Ready? Nobody is ready at all. Our
On a scale of 1 to
choreography,
10.
5, 4.
And what about the Bharatanatyam?
Bharatanatyam is right now done 50% in terms of choreography. Execution is at 20%.
We'll get there, guys.
We will all get there because they're learning it. They've only spent 20 minutes learning this right now. I'm going to take 20 more minutes and that's it. Slay!
How are you feeling?
डर को भी सब साथ में करेंगे. डर को भी नहीं. सेकंड 5, 6, 7 go down up.
जिंदा मेरा ख्वाब है जो something will happen.
Yeah, pretty good. One and two and five. It's coming. It is still here. It's not coming down. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4. 5, 6, 7, go. This that pretty good. Like you're whipping something. Nice. 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2 and 3. Hey, hey, you're gonna feel this every day. Hey, this that pretty good.
My cozy pajamas, straight from the cold plunge. Daytime videos of my creeps page and I'm for the night.
कैसे बताऊं तुझे बात जी 7 tap tap कैसे बताऊं तुझे दोनों हाथ पे हाँ सब करो मेरे साथ जब मैं पीछे आ रही हूँ 5, 6, 7 go tap correct you drop tap this much space first I will take a step back yes once more.
This is Vanshika and I, Pratika, practicing the jump for the showcase. Now the issue with this, just a few days before the showcase, we actually found out that Vanshika would not be able to make it on the final day due to some issues. Which is when Aliona entered and she had to pick up the choreography in very few days and put up a showcase. That's why we also had to switch up a lot of the formations and also practice once again.
I got everyone candies. Healthy कहते कोई candy. Healthy candies. Lollipop थोड़ी. Healthy candies. Sonakshi is having midlife crisis. Sonakshi, why?
Because I'm next to a midlife person and she's having crisis.
25 I am. No, but like
I'm 34.
Oh,
I'm having teen life crisis. You teens are causing crisis.
But my teenage is going away.
29.
My teenage is going away.
No one should know that. And who knows, maybe on a stage it will be bigger. But we'll have follow spot.
How are you feeling? Scared. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
How are you feeling?
Very excited.
How are you feeling? Done everything done. I'm very excited. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. Why? Because there's so many great dancers performing with us. What song do you think the crowd is gonna like the most? I really think they're gonna like Miente the most. Yeah. Even I think like when we go down, I think people are gonna love the highlight.
I also think it's going to be Apna Time Aayega also.
Yeah, Apna Time Aayega and Sheila. And when she does the split. First she was doing the kick. The split is so nice. Yeah, it looks much.
It's cooler.
It's just harder, so it'll be fine.
Do you approve?
They approve, guys, of my choreography. I think they know.
Walk like this. I'll walk like this.
So when I climbed on the chair, it started shaking. I was going to fall, so my reflex was to jump off, and the chair ended up falling instead. At that point, I felt a lot of panic and disappointment, but I'm happy I managed to handle the situation and continue dancing with a smile through the rest of it.
Stepping into a Bharatnatyam app or revisiting it after almost 3 years felt surreal, and the fact that Virali ma'am believed in me and gave me that opportunity and she was patient with me throughout. And the way it turned out in the end, it was all smiles for me, and I was so content. And so many people appreciated. I'm so happy that I got back to it the way I did. It wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for this stage opportunity or Virali ma'am. So I think I'm really grateful all in all.
Okay, so my denim jacket went missing right before we had to go on for mantra. We had like 10 seconds to get into our jackets before we had to go on stage. And for the 5 seconds that I had to like wear my jacket, I was constantly asking Akanksha or Dhyana if the jacket they were wearing was mine, because my jacket was like missing from the wings where I had placed them. But then, I just had to go on my cue. Like, I couldn't not go on stage just because I didn't find my jacket. I just focused on the performance and gave it my best. I think it went well after that, honestly.
This was a wonderful experience for me. Coming back on stage after 7 years felt lovely, to be honest. It was very deeply special also because it marked a beautiful nostalgic journey for me, starting with burlesque, which was from my dance works training days, to go into mantra and feeling good, which was curated specially for my DWE students, to go into a nice twist of Bharatnatyam fusion on Apna Time Aayega, which I had done in my early days in reality shows with Aishwarya and Devika, to go into something brand new, which was Kwab Dekhe and Sheila mix, which are my forever favorite songs, right? So yes, I loved being with my girls on stage. I loved watching other artists, some old friends, some very new artists, and I wish we could all just do this again and again and again.